Hi fam, welcome back to our channel Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today I'm going to talk about the collab that I told you guys about on our live. It is with King of Christmas. They offer a wide variety of Christmas trees, wreaths, and garland, and so much more for your Christmas season. So I am going to review for you guys the King Phlox Garland. It's composed of some realistic tips and show covered branches. The King Phlox Garland beautifully complements the King Phlox trees. Their garland makes for an effortless and quick shaping process. Guys, when I tell you this garland is beautiful, it is beautiful. It would be good for over it on your banisters, your fireplace, around the frame of your door. It's fit for a king. Look how beautiful this garland is. It's nice and fluffy. It has a whole lot of flock on it. It's not like one of those little cheap garlands that you have that has a little bit of flock on it, and then once it starts falling off, all you see is the greenery. This flock is quality. Its quality is 9 foot tall, 12 feet wide. It's pre-sprung with 50 UL warm LED lights. It's heavy flock branches. It bends realistically. The tips look real. This particular one is plug operated, but they have it also in battery form. It has a female connector where you can add more garland to it. The only thing is that you only could use this one for indoors, and it's easy to shape. And guess what, guys, you can even use a firm. It's a pay over time company that you can pay monthly payments on it. So guys, if you're not a part of our YT family member, please consider about joining. You can do that by hitting the red subscribe button and then hit the bell so you'll never miss that when we upload. Then I want you guys to hit the like button. Go ahead. The more likes we get, the better. And guys, share this video. Share it so we can reach our goal of 50,000 subscribers by January the 28th, my birthday. Guys, look how lush and plush this garland is. It has a lot of flock on it, so it only has minimum fallout when I choke it. And I have on black pants, and you would think that by having on black pants that it would be totally covered, but they're not. And like I said, this particular one is electric, but you can use they have them that you can use batteries. They use C batteries, I'm sorry. And I'm just opening up it. Just look at it, guys. Look at it. Now normally when you get to this point with other garland, it's flimsy and you can see through it, but not this one, not King's Garland. It is awesome. It has the wire that runs through it, and it's covered with flock itself so it doesn't stand out. And here is the specs on this particular garland. Like I said, it's 9 feet long, 12 feet wide, guys. And also this particular garland has warm lights on it, warm white lights, but they have it with bright white lights as well. It has 160 tips on it, and guys, it is so realistic, so realistic. I can't wait to get this on my banister and decorate it with all the red and black. I think it's going to be so amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Now guys, I'm gonna have a code affiliated link down in the description box where you can get a certain percentage off. This particular garland is on sale as well for $59. Plus I think you would get an additional percentage off if you use our code. Now, like I said, they offer trees as well, trees and wreaths and decorations and clothing. What they're really known for is for their trees. I mean, their greenery. The plug part is, you can untwist it and unplug it from the plug itself, the electric part, and you can, like I said, use this to add some more garland into it and make it even longer, and then you can put it back together. But yes, guys, I really think that you will enjoy this. Go head over to King of Christmas and check this garland out and all the other great goodies that they have for your Christmas home decor. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box, and you can go head over and check them out. And I can't wait to decorate with this garland. I'm not quite ready to decorate for Christmas yet. I want to get past Thanksgiving, but just look forward to seeing this beauty on our banister. And yes, guys, so look, here's a little bit of their website. I'm showing you all the different garland that they have, and all the different types of garland. They even have package deals where you can get garland, little trees, and wreaths together. So yes, they are a great website. So go head over and check them out and get some goodies, like I said, for yourself. And while you're at it, save some of them coins. Yes, you want your house to be beautiful, but at the same token, you want to save some coins. I really would like for you to do me this big favor. On January 28th, I turned 50 years old, and I really want to have 50,000 subscribers on my 50th birthday. So if you can, share this video with at least 5 people. And if you know someone that does not have a YouTube channel yet, sign them up so they can and get them to become a part of our YT family. I would love to reach 50,000 on my 50th birthday. So that's what I want for my birthday present, guys. So please go ahead, share it with 5 people. Ask those 5 people to become a part of our family so we can reach our goal of 50,000 subscribers. And at this Christmas holiday season, sharing in the gift of Christ, remember, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And when I tell you this, guys, I truly mean it.